If you are looking to change a normal headlight bulb to an LED, there are several factors to consider, such as brightness, color temperature, lifespan, and most importantly, brand reality. In this video, we'll review the best bright LED bulb, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different bright LED bulb. By the end, you'll know exactly which best bright LED bulb is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The Termitor Bright LED bulb is a game changer for night driving, offering a remarkable 900% increase in brightness compared to standard halogen bulbs. Featuring 32 high-performance chips, it delivers a crisp 6500K white light that dramatically improves nighttime visibility and road awareness. What sets these bulbs apart is their perfect beam pattern, precisely engineered to mimic factory halogens with a sharp cutoff line, ensuring optimal road illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Installation is quick and painless with a true plug-and-play design that fits directly into standard H4 and 9003/HB2 sockets, no tools or wiring needed. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, these bulbs also boast a high-speed 22,000 RPM cooling fan and IP68 water/dust resistance, promising a durable lifespan of up to 70,000 hours. Whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or dust, the Termitor LED bulbs are built to endure. Compatibility is another strong point, as they're designed to work with 99% of vehicles without flicker or dashboard errors. Termitor's commitment to quality and customer support makes this upgrade not only easy but highly rewarding. For drivers seeking safer, brighter, and longer-lasting headlights, the Termitor Bright LED bulbs offer unmatched performance and peace of mind on every journey. Thanks for watching the video.